Hi everybody, this is from Sabrina _crafty _journey. And I don't remember what she told me, I'll be honest. So we're gonna go right into it. And I tell you, she packed this baby. Oh, I'm trying to get to, there we go. I was trying to make sure I didn't get. Oh. Oh my. Oh. Yes. Okay. So, a while ago, I got one of these from Sabrina, and I loved it, and I used it until I couldn't use it anymore. This is perfect. I'm gonna put my phone in it, my wallet, and hop on the bike. Awesome. Cool. So, man, what the heck, girl? Oh. Found some brayers. Oh, found some brayers when she was at that bins thing she goes to. Them are cool. Oh, prayer cards. I'm sorry, my fingers are hurting. I just washed my entire house outside. I'm talking. Needed to be done. I can't get in the box. And the garage. So, I'm a bit tired and wore out. But these are cool. Look at today's prayer. Please praise him, sun and moon. Praise him, all shining stars. Psalms 148.3. These are so cool. So each one has a different prayer. That's cool. See, I couldn't find these at my Dollar Tree. I think these are from the Dollar Tree. Sabrina will let me know if I'm wrong. And then there's these seed little packets. Them are cool. And there's some more prayer cards. Today's prayer. Oh, look at it. They're pretty. You are my hiding place and my shield. I hope in your world. Psalms 119. And 114. These are so cool. Create in me a pure heart, O God, and renew a steadfast spirit within me. Psalms 51:10. Them are cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Them are cool. Everything's cool. I believe this is that thing she told me about. I'm so excited. So, she said she saw Van Gogh. She got it. And when she showed me it, I'm like, oh yeah. If I can get it out. Oh, there we go. Kind of. So, it's a little pouch. Oh, something else in here. Oh, look at. Oh yeah, I'm red in the face. That's cool. I love Starry Night. But it's so cool. It's got this little thing that you can put here, and you snap this open. So now, there we go. And I'm hoping it, let's see. Ooh. Don't fit my phone. Can I make it? Nope, it won't fit my phone inside, but it may fit my wallet and my phone. Oh yeah. There we go. So I'm at least put my phone in the outside, and I can probably fit my wallet in the inside. Or my glasses. Because the one thing I keep forgetting, I have to wear sunglasses or my helmet. Some days means I put my helmet on, and other days if I'm only going a little ride, I just grab my sunglasses. But I always forget my regular glasses. So now I have a pair I leave in the bike. So this will work perfect for my glasses. And the mirror I probably will put in my little backpack. That's so cool. Okay, and then there's this. Oh, I think this is for Coda. It's a wallet for Coda Bear. He is going to die. Love that. Alright, let's see. Oh, this is that paper she was telling me about. It's got different. You can write on one and it goes through them all. That's so cool. Man. Okay. For Allie. Oh, okay. These are all those stickers I remember. Okay. I'll show them to you guys. Okay. They're, I don't remember. Allie told me and Sabrina what they meant, but they're just different little green. And Allie said she'll put them out on the table in her club. I don't know exactly what the colors are, the meaning behind it, but some say pride. This one says I have a heart. So I will make sure she gets that. Okay, there we go. And this is July swap, so I'm going to put that there. Traveling tag, 1 complete finish, 3 takes to finish, 3 takes to single land. I will show this later. And Tina here is the win. Tina here is the winning to my hidden giveaway. Congrats! Ooh, I want her hidden giveaway. It's this little book. I love how she does this. That's so cool. So cool. Awesome sauce. And then for Allie, Tina's granddaughter. Okay, I'll show you this is so cool. Look at that. It's Cancer, and Allie's a Cancer, and it's a journal. It's gorgeous. So, thank you. I know I will make them do a video. I won't see them until after this week because I'm busy, and Diamond, Sam's going one direction for bachelor party, and bachelor party. Yeah, bachelor party. Yeah. And Diamond, it's her birthday this weekend on Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. And a bunch of girlfriends and her are going to a Renaissance fair. And the kids are going by Sam's parents because I don't remember why they weren't coming here. I think because they thought me and Scott had plans. I don't remember, but they're not. They won't be here. Allie might, and I don't know. It's still up for debate, I guess. I don't know. So, thank you so much, Sabrina. I love everything. I can't wait. I'm going to use this. I like that it's put this all in there, enough to fit whatever I need, and still have it on my back. It's just, and it's kind of like leather. I can put Harley there. So thank you, Sabrina. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.